Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the magnification type on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose the Accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Next, locate the magnification option. Tap on it. Step 4. Then, locate the magnification type option. Tap on it. Here, see the three options. The first option is magnify full screen. The second option is magnify part of the screen. And the last option is switch between full and partial screen. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose the magnify option best for you. Then tap Save and change the magnification type instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.